a dessert for pear and pie lovers. I'll be boiling the pears in a sweetened and spiced water. Here I'm using brown sugar. You can use honey or white sugar or coconut sugar. Whatever sweetener you use for your family, you're welcome to use it. I'm adding clove, cinnamon, lemon zest, lemon to my sugary water. So the sky is the limit. Any flavor you want, just add it to it. If you don't have clove, you don't have to, but it just adds some kick to the mixture. But vanilla is a must. Peel and core your clean pear, making sure the base is nicely flat so that your pear can stand on the baking pan. I forgot to say that your sugary liquid should be on the stove boiling. Then after cleaning and coring your pear, add it to the boiling water, the boiling sweet water. Then you can poke them a little bit so that the sweeten can go inside the pear quickly, and let the whole thing boil for about 10 minutes. You don't want the pear to be too soft. Ingredient list for this recipe is in the description box. After about 10 minutes, remove your pear from the boiling sweetened water and let it sit on your counter for about 5 or 10 minutes, just to cool a little bit so you can be able to handle it when you're using the pastry. And here you can use your own homemade pastry, but I'm using store-bought pastry, puff pastry. So yeah, just slice it thin and make sure you wrap it around your pear. It's easy. It doesn't need to be pretty. Once it's cooked, it looks fine. So it's not a work of art here. It's just there are multiple ways to try to cover your pear, but yeah, here it's the best way I'm doing it because I know it will turn out okay. For sure, it will be delicious. So. And for the liquid, the sweetening liquid, you can leave it on the stove to let it thicken and make sure you don't burn it. And you can use it as a syrup that will go with the pear, but I don't like using that liquid because of the brown sugar that I used to boil the pear with. So I prefer using plain honey to top my finished pastry. So yeah, so for me, I just discard that sweetened water and just use plain honey to eat my pear pastry. Alright, enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Like the video, share. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.